Good morning. So this morning, right after breakfast, we're changing the air filter on my Toyota Corolla 2014. They recommend that you change the filter every now and then, but they charge a fortune for these. So what I do is I usually go online and buy them for really cheap. They cost me like something like $10 each, and I replace them myself. If you really take your time, you can get it out in a matter of minutes. You see? It's out now. And they said that this filter needed replacement. It was an emergency, but if you have a look at it, it's not that bad. It's a bit dirty, but not that much. But I'm still gonna go ahead and replace it. So if you loose that bolt right here, this tube comes off of here, and you can lift the whole thing, and it makes it easy to replace the filter. But this really takes 2 minutes. You take a screwdriver, you remove this bolt, you remove that hose from here, you remove the clips from each side in the back, and it lifts out. And that's how you get the actual filter cover off. And now you take a new filter that costs only $10 off of eBay, and you just put it in. You have to be careful though, because there's one side that is not rounded. It's square. The other ones are all rounded. So that square corner comes to this side on the front. That's how you know the filter is in the proper position. You want to take that box and drop it slowly on top. You don't want to break the filter underneath. So you want to pull it so that this part here on the top just slides right in there. So this is going to slide behind this. Then once that's done, you have the clip here on the side. You want to push it towards the back, and it should click on that thing there like this. And you do the same thing on the other end right here. I don't know if we can actually see that. It's basically just pushing like this. It's gonna clamp on both sides like this. And you do the same thing with this one. It has to clamp on top of it like that, this piece of metal. And once that's done, you reattach the holes. So you take the holes, pull a little bit on it, you put it on top like that, and once it's on top, you actually have to turn the little thing around. That way you have access to that screw. Just have to push it that way so that little thing goes in the groove like that. And once that's done, the only thing that's left to do is to take your screwdriver and just turn that screw and you screw it. That's pretty much the only thing you have to do now. That was just in time for winter. So now that you know how to change your filters on your own, you're gonna save money the next time you visit the dealership. You're welcome. If you liked the video, make sure that you hit subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.